A student of class 11, Arpita, is visibly worried, closely monitoring the developments regarding allegations of sexual harassment leveled against teachers. Recently, several students from a top school in Chennai turned the spotlight on an alleged sexual predator, a 59-year-old male teacher who was arrested under the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act, POCSO, following a massive social media uproar.
Harassment is something that is so it happens a lot, and it's now to know that it's come to even schools, it's really scary.
In Ramanathapuram, nearly 550 kilometers from Chennai, police arrested another school teacher for alleged sexual harassment of a class 9 girl after phone conversations went viral. The accused was heard asking the child for sexual favors. In the backdrop of these cases, schools have begun tightening their systems.
Not even about whether the safety has been breached. If there is some kind of the child not feeling safe, we address it at that level.
So no child should have this, a thought in their mind that they could be, sent out, or they could be actually victimized.
Senior students Kundavai Rani and Theodore welcome these steps. Experts say it might be the beginning of a new culture of openness, which is absolutely essential.
Because now that it's happened and the word is out, everybody knows what will happen, and if it happens, they can complain about it and steps can be taken.
Classes are being recorded, principal is asking us, calling us and asking any problems are there.
On June 21st, Tamil Nadu Government's School Education Department released guidelines for all schools on student safety, along with a protocol for online classes. This included formation of a Student Safeguarding Advisory Committee, state-level Central Complaints Center with a hotline number and an email address, recording and review of online classes, and orientation programs on POCSO Act. The recent spike in online sexual exploitation and abuse of children owing to increased screen time and online coaching has raised concerns, underscoring the need for deterrence to protect children.
सेंट्रल लेवल पे भी इसी तरह की एक गाइडलाइन बनाई जाए पूरे राष्ट्रीय स्तर पे, देश स्तर पे, और अलग अलग राज्य जो भी इसी तरह की गाइडलाइन बनाए जिससे कि बच्चों का ऑनलाइन सेक्सुअल अब्यूज या इस तरह की कोई घटना फिर से ना दोहराई जा सके, ये हम लोग मांग करते हैं।
Kailash Satyarthi Children's Foundation's Justice for Every Child campaign aims to provide legal and mental health support to victims across the country whose childhood has been robbed by sexual predators. Extend a helping hand and join the campaign to ensure child victims of rape and sexual abuse receive the much needed support as they fight for justice.